chicken and wild rice salad. Let me show you a very delicious salad that is a crowd pleaser. So gather up all your ingredients and let's make this together on Darlene's table. I'm making a chicken and wild rice salad that's served cold. My sister, Diane, gave me this recipe. She lives in Georgetown, and I'm not exactly sure where she got the recipe, but she swears it's delicious. This is my first time. So first we'll begin with 2 cups of mayonnaise and the seasonings. Soy. I'm going to mix this well. The seasonings are a teaspoon of curry and 1.5 teaspoons of seasonal. Now, my sister is not a curry person, but she says this salad is delicious. So we're going to find out, aren't we? Next, I've got 4 cups of cooked wild rice. Use only wild rice. Do not use a blend. It won't work well. All right, so then I'm going to add to that 3 cups of chopped chicken. And then 2 cups of grapes, 1 cup of chopped water chestnuts, and 1 cup of cashews, or you can use toasted almonds, whatever your preference is. I like cashews. So I'm going to mix this well. You know, my neighbors love me because they get all this food that we've been doing. I'm going to mix this real well, and then I'm going to add the mayonnaise. All right, it's a lot of salad. My sister was right. This is absolutely delicious. I can't wait till it's completely chilled. And of course, I'll be sharing it with my neighbors. I hope you prepare this soon. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you like this video, then give us a like and please consider subscribing to our channel. As we say in Texas, y'all have a blessed day.